Hey everyone, it's Nolan with Premier Automotive Source in Jacksonville, Florida. I'm excited to talk to you today about this beautiful 2006 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Unlimited. Some people refer to this as the holy grail of Wranglers. I tend to agree with them. This is my favorite. The Unlimited 05-06 Rubicon is the king of the hill in my opinion. This one only has 71,000 miles. It's got a 6-speed manual, 5.5-inch long arm lift, brand new FALKEN WILDPEAK mud terrains, including the spare. It's got steel aftermarket bumpers, really clean inside and out. It's a BESTOP soft top. It's in really good condition. Steel front bumper, LED headlights. Just a really nice truck inside and out. Air blows cold. Check those miles out. Nice all-weather mats. Interior's really clean. You can call me or text me directly at 904-382-7230. You can direct message me on any of our social media platforms. I encourage you to go to our website, premierautosource.com. Take a look at all the detailed photos of this Jeep. Give me a call or text if you got any questions. We'd love to talk to you. We love to talk Jeeps. I encourage you to check this one out, or if this isn't the one for you, keep an eye on our website, premierautosource.com. Thank you for your time and interest, and have a great day.